This is a Mac 23310. Let's do this thing. Good luck. If there's a Cody, we randomize. Let's get a booklet though. It doesn't feel booklety. When I don't feel Lucy. All right. Up first to 35, Blair Davenport. No booklet, no Uzi. To 99, Montez Ford. This is from WrestleMania 39, Night 2. To 99, Yo Sky. Nice little shirt relic there. To 99, Baron Corbin. 52 of 99, bum-ass Baron Corbin. Oofed. To 99, Greg the Hammer Valentine. And to 99, Rhea Ripley, winning the title at WrestleMania. 36 of 99. Beautiful card right there. And that is Immaculate 23310. The hammer. No booklet still, but a very nice Rhea Ripley. Case still has a bit to give me here.